Oh, Dazzle, this place is not ready for the holidays. Well, I can make that change with a little touch of my beauty mark on my tummy. See, look, I revealed some of my beauty mark. Oh, wow, and what did it do? Look up. What? Oh, you put a Santa hat on me? That's super cute. But wait, I want some more decorations. Well, I can fix that too with a little rub of my beauty mark. Look at that. I almost revealed all of my beauty mark. Isn't that cool? But wait, what did you do, Dazzle? Well, look right behind you. Wait, behind me? Oh, a Christmas tree. That is so cool, but you know what else we're missing? What is it? We are missing our friends because the holidays are best spent with your best friends. You're right. Well, with a little rub of my beauty mark, let's see if I can reveal my whole image. And surprise! Wait, what did you do, Dazzle? Well, look in front of you. Whoa! Ooh! Guys! Wow, 2 friends? I think we need one more. Let's reveal my surprise under my beauty mark. Ready? Wipe it up. It's a yummy ice cream cone. And watch this, guys. Wow. Hey, guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button. If you're watching YouTube Kids, make sure you click the red gem to subscribe. Toys. Wow. Guys, look at all of these Rainbocorns that Dazzle and Hippity brought us. We're going to open them up in this video, and we're going to tell you a little trick on how to get your favorite Rainbocorn. Big thank you to ZURU for giving us all of these Rainbocorns to open up in this video. And make sure you check in our description below to see how you can win your very own Rainbocorn. Let's get started.
Yeah!
Hey guys, it's Tiffany from ZURU Toys. I'm with my awesome assistant.
M2B.
Can you say hello, M2B?
Hello, M2B.
Hey guys, today we are opening up 3 amazing mystery eggs featuring ZURU's Rainbocorn. They are the sequin surprise unicorns. They feature 6 different types: Monkeycorns, Kittycorns, Hamstercorns, Bunnycorns, Puppycorns, and unicorns. There are 2 in each species for series 1. Let's get started. And please subscribe to ZURU Toys. Don't forget to ring that notification bell every time we post a new video or host a new giveaway. You'll be the first one to get notified. Let's get started.
And also, before we begin, I'm going to tell you a little trick from getting your favorite Rainbocorn.
Let's do that now.
You look at the sequin.
That's right. If you tilt the sequins a little bit like this, you'll be able to see the image so you can get your favorite Rainbocorn.
Oh, so that one's the puppy.
That's a Puppycorn, yeah. And then there's this one. Which one do you think this one is?
This one.
Nope. That's the one with the lollipop. The one with the lollipop is... Who's the one with the Munchie. It's a Hamstercorn. I think it is. We're going to see if our theory is correct.
Yeah,
and the last one... That's this one with the crown over here. This one right there. So the one with the crown is Gigi, a Kittycorn.
Oh.
They also sent us this one. It's actually a duplicate. This is the one with the ice cream cone. This is actually Hippity. So Hippity has an ice cream cone, and we're gonna save this for a future giveaway. The giveaway that we have with ZURU, they're gonna send it directly from them, and we are gonna save this one for a future giveaway, which is a nice surprise. We'll do that after Christmas. In case you are wondering too, the unicorn horns also have an indication of how you can get the Rainbocorn that you want to get. Now, it really does take the fun out of the mystery of it, and I don't want to really give away all the hacks, but if you're really desperate to find an image that you want, you could look online at on ZURU.com and click on Rainbocorns, and you'll be able to meet all of the individual Rainbocorns that are in Series 1, and they'll actually show you all of their little beauty marks, all of the images. So this one we think
is the puppy.
Is the Puppycorn.
Yes, because I can see a bone.
That's right. So we think this is scruffy. So let's open it up.
Yeah, and it definitely is scruffy. Yeah, it's scruffy.
I love the way you could just pull it too.
I know, tear strips are the best, right?
Well, let's take off this plastic part first. They actually have another plastic wrap around it to keep the sequins safe, so no one can peel the sequins like in the store.
Very like fragile. You can break them off very easily if you pull them.
Well, I have to say, Rainbocorns in our house are so loved, especially by Marcello's little baby brother, Rocco.
Yes.
He's only 1, and I know it's for ages 3 and up, but he sincerely loves Rainbocorns. Like when we got this package in the mail, he was going nuts. And what took me so long to actually post these videos was the fact that he kept taking our other Rainbocorns. So he kept taking Dazzle and Hippity away. So I couldn't do the video. I wanted to include our Rainbocorns. Do you want to wipe it?
Yes!
Okay, I'm gonna hold it for you, and you give it a wipe. Ooh, like magic!
It is scruffy.
That is so cool.
Mom, it is scruffy. I knew it.
Ooh, I like this one. Can I see?
Yeah, scruffy. Look, see? Scruffy.
Ooh, it's a nice iridescent pink. And look, let's wipe it up. Like magic. Look how cool this is. And there's a secret with this heart. We'll tell you in a second. Now let's open it up and see who we got.
Yeah.
We think we got this cutie right here, Scruffy. Let's see if we're right.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, go! We got, who we get? Oh, I think we got Scruffy, do you think?
I hope so.
It's Scruffy!
Is it Scruffy?
Yeah!
Oh my gosh, how cute!
Looks like a bunny.
He does kind of look like a bunny. Maybe he's not. Maybe he is a bunny. He's so cute.
I know.
All right, let's check out the checklist. This is the checklist. There are 12 to collect in all. So we have Dazzle and we have Hippity. There's also Sparkle, Hopcorn, Pixel, Munchie. There's Gigi, Scout, Melody, Snapcat, Scruff, and Loco. Here, this is the one that we got. And there are 22 Boo-boocorns to collect. So there's Boo-boo hamsters, Boo-boo puppies, Boo-boo bunnies, Boo-boo kitties, Boo-boo monkeys, Boo-boo unicorns, and there's the rare Boo-boocorn twins, Boo-boo hamsters, Boo-boo puppies, Boo-boo bunnies, Boo-boo kitties, Boo-boo monkeys, and Boo-boo unicorns. Look, there's an extra bee over there. Well, I think there's are actually in a golden egg, but I don't think we got a golden egg. Let's see this surprise egg that was underneath, and let's see who we got.
Yeah.
Oh, how cute. Look, she has a sparkly unicorn horn. The blue horn. Oh, we got the Boo-boo puppy. Oh, how cute. Right there. Oh, it's so cute.
Yeah.
Look, it has little wings.
It's so cute.
It is so super duper cute.
Yeah.
I love their eyes. Look at their eyes. How cute are they?
Yeah, they're so cute.
I love it.
Me too.
How cute. Let's put our sequin heart in Scruff. What's so super cool about these sequin surprise hearts, after you're done playing with them, and let's say you're done cuddling with your little plushie, you can put it in your hair. How cool is that? You could put it in your Rainbocorns hair, right here. How about on the back?
Oh yeah.
Right there. How cute is that? Or you could put it in your own hair, or you can attach it to their little bellies, and they snap right in to these little slots. If kids have any problems doing that, they could always ask their parents or a grown-up to help. It's really not that hard to do. See, like once they snap in, it's a-okay, and then you can have so much fun wiping up and revealing the cool image. So Scruff has a doggy bone and sequin hearts.
Yeah, because he's a doggy.
That's right. Super cute. Now he could join the holiday party with Dazzle and Hippity.
Yeah.
What a cute scruffy puppy.
Can I open up the next one and pick the next one?
Yeah, let me just put this aside. And what I love so much about Rainbocorns the most are the packaging. This is so cool. We kept our egg, of course, because you want to store them inside when you're not using them, and they look so super cute. And they're just like a lot of fun. They actually fit a lot of toys too, and our elf on the shelf has been using it as well.
Yeah,
Which one do you want to pick next?
This one.
Open it. This one? Okay, so he has chosen. Which one do we think this is? This is the one with the crown. The one with the crown, this is probably Gigi, the Kittycorn. You ready?
Yeah, wait. Just need to do it like. we got it. Whoa! We got
That's pretty.
Yeah, that's really pretty.
Oh my goodness, I love it. Can you crack it open? If you see, we got Gigi, the Kittycorn.
Yeah. Hold on. Okay. Okay, I think we got her because it looks like it's pink. Yep, we definitely got her.
Give her a nice squeeze.
Oh my god, look guys, I can see your eyes. So you can see that.
Here, look. Here, watch. Yep, there we go. Give her a squeeze. There you go.
So you can see from that part.
Oh,
so
how cute. It's our first Kittycorn.
Yeah.
How cute. Oh my gosh. How cute. Look at her little face. She has purple glitter eyes, and they match the purple sequins. Really, really sparkly.
Wait, this is so cool when it's all the way.
Yeah, it really is. Look at the crown. It has a heart. And look at her little yellow tummy. And it's so shimmery. Oh, how cute. Look at that little swirly underneath her eye and her little whiskers. And it looks like she just ate some yummy treats. How cute. And look at this pretty pink rainbow silver
Oh, wait. Maybe she...
ears.
Maybe
and look
she-
at her. Look at her tail.
Oh my god!
She has a tail. Wait, does Scruff have a tail? He has a little scruffy tail.
Yeah, has a
He's
bun
so
bun
cute.
tail.
She is super soft too.
Yeah. Wait, can
Wow,
I
feel how soft she is.
Oh wait, can I feel this one too?
Yeah.
I never feel them before.
They are super soft.
my God.
And they're so cuddly. How cute is our cute little Gigi? Let's make sure it is Gigi. Let's check the checklist. It's not Gigi, it's Snapcat.
Oh.
It's Snapcat. Oh, how cute. So,
Wait, this one has this one. This one has the same one.
yeah.
So it needs to be this one.
So
but
wait,
just a different color on here.
So wait, Snapcat's supposed to have a diamond, and Gigi is supposed to have the crown. So we got Snapcat with the Gigi crown.
It must be this one. Be just different color on the checklist though.
Huh, interesting.
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh yeah, look, the swirl is under Gigi, so can you get different colors? I'm confused. But this is Snapcat's face, so we got Snapcat actually, guys. That's really funny. Okay, so maybe the hack isn't really good. You know what I'm gonna have to do then?
What?
I'm gonna open up that other one that I said I was gonna hold for a giveaway.
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it, because you might get a different Rainbocorn
Oh yeah.
with like this sequin.
So
There really is no hack. All right, let's see. She's so super cute though. Let's check out our Boo-boocorn. And the Boo-boocorn egg is a nice robin's egg blue. And if you look closely at the Boo-boocorn egg, it has a little rainbow. Oh my gosh. Let's look in the Boo-boocorn kitty section. And there it is. Right there, we got this cute blue one. And I love their little eyes. Where's the yellow Boo-boocorn that we got with Scruff? I think Scruff's name was different too, but we'll have to investigate that further as well. How cute! Yeah, now it's totally a sequin surprise. For sure. It's totally a Rainbocorn surprise now. Okay, let's pull. Whoa. This one has an orange unicorn horn. And let's check it out. So we think it's the one with the lollipop. Let's see if we're right. You ready? Here we go. OMG. So pretty. Oh my gosh, so pretty. I love the lollipop.
Me too.
So we're supposed to get, with the lollipop one, Munchie. And she's a light pink hamster. If we get Pixel, then you know it could be for either type of Rainbocorn. They really have the best sequins. Like I said before, Marcello's little brother plays so much with these, and he really like throws them around. They really do withstand a kicking from a little baby. Oh my gosh, so we got Munchie. Here's Munchie, so cute. Look at Munchie's little nose, it's a heart. And she has purple eyes too. How cute! She's a little hamster. So she has a really cute tail, blue wings, and the wings are like foily and so pretty. Oh my goodness. Now let's attach her little sequin heart, sequin surprise. Here's her little Boo-boocorn egg. You ready? Who do we get? Oh my gosh, we got the one I wanted. Look at this one. How cute! It's iridescent. It's two-toned. It has a shimmery top and a blue translucent bottom. So this is the one we got right here. Oops. Look how cute. I love it. since we got a different one for our Kittycorn, we're gonna have to open up one more that they sent us, and I actually thought it was a duplicate, so I wasn't gonna open it. I was gonna save it, but now I'm so intrigued now to see what we have in store. We have one more unicorn to open, and we thought it was a duplicate for us, so we were gonna save it, but let's take a look at it really quickly, and let's see if we have a different Rainbocorn on our hands. You ready?
Yep.
Moment of truth. I'm just gonna open it up and then we'll reveal it. Oh, we got two of them. Okay, we got two of the same ones. And with the same color eyes and everything. And let's reveal her sequin hearts. Super cool. Blue egg right here.
Yeah.
Ooh, so pretty. I think we actually have this one.
Yes,
we do. So we're gonna put this to the side for a giveaway. We're not gonna really tamper with this one too much. We're gonna keep it nice and neat for a future giveaway winner. We do have another giveaway going on that is sponsored through ZURU, and they're gonna send a mystery Rainbocorn to a lucky winner. Okay, all back together. Let's fix these. Perfect. Oh my goodness, take a look at all of these cool new Rainbocorns that we have added to our collection. Thank you so much, ZURU. They are so cute. Which one is your favorite, Marcello?
All of them.
All of them? I'm gonna have to say all of them too. I love them. But my favorite one is Snapcat. So cute. I love Snapcat, and that was a nice surprise to get Snapcat instead of Gigi, right?
Yeah.
Super duper cute. We hope you have the best holidays, guys, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to enter that giveaway in the description below. It's the Gleam link. What are you doing there? Is this your favorite one?
Well, that's my favorite one.
Oh my goodness. They are so cute. My gosh, and they're so soft and so cuddly. We love Rainbocorns. And you know what? You can vote for them too for Toy of the Year. I'll put a link in the description below too.
Yep.
And if you enter, if you vote for Rainbocorns or any other toy, you don't have to just vote for Rainbocorns, but you should because they're really awesome. You can actually win all of the toys in that category.
What?
Yep, there's a contest with Toy of the Year. I'm going to put the link down in my description below.
Wait, can you answer that contest?
I did, of course. I already voted for Rainbocorns.
What?
I did. I voted for them. These are all the guys that we got in this video and our extra ones that we have, our little friends. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, guys.
And have a great day.
Thank you so much, ZURU.
Thank you so much, ZURU. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah.